Okay, let's move on to IELTS speaking part 2. Describe a person who inspired you to do something interesting. Yes.
Well, inspiring is something that most important, most people needs, and if they get it from the right person at the right time, they can do wonders. Uh, I would definitely love to share my personal experience when I got inspired from my uncle, dear uncle. The fact is that my dear uncle name is Shahjahan, uh, and recently he told me and recently he inspired me to join IELTS classes online. S- he told me because last 2 years ago he attempted online academy online classes at YouTube. So
Very good, very good. Carry on. So he encouraged me to join the classes. Just keep on.
so he encouraged me to join the classes because I am so weak in English speaker. I am hesitated
I
when
hesitate.
I hesitate when any single person around sitting in around me. So
Okay, all right, that's good. Yeah, keep it up like this and practice all the topics. You're going to be fine. Overall, it's good. You spoke for around 1 minute and 20 seconds. Okay, so be more confident. Smile. Good. Now, let's go on. What do you think about motivational speakers?
I like very much motivational speakers because motivational speakers always give us information and always teach us about anything.
Okay, all right. Do you think parents can inspire their children?
Yes, I think definitely parents inspire
Their children?
inspire their children when children are always inspired by parents when they born in the earth. Children teach
Parents teach their
parents teach
children.
their
Okay,
children.
all right. Forget about that. Don't be confused. So be confident and now practice all these topics and you're going to be fine. Next week when you come here, you should be more confident. Okay?
Inshallah.
All right. Thank you.